Hey everyone, so I've pulled a card for you all out there today asking what do you need to let go of to attract more money into your life. And the Six of Wands came through. And the message that came through straight away was that you need to take charge of your money, right? You are the one that can experience freedom with money, but you have to be the leader. You have to lead money, and then money can come to you. You don't want to just be part of the crowd, just cruising along, fumbling along. No, you need to take charge. If you want to create freedom in your life with money, you need to become the leader of that. Ask for the amount of money that you want. Be clear on it and believe that you can attract and create that money in your life, okay? It's not about waiting for money to come to you or, working in your 9-to-5 job or whatever it is, and then you get paid. No, this card calls you to stand forth in your power, in your creative power, and ask for what you want money-wise, because you're putting in an order, right? When you put in the order of how much money you want, so let me know in the comments, how much money do you want to make within the next 30 days? Let me know. Is it $500, $100, $50, $5,000? What is it? Let me know in the comments. Claim it below. Put it out to the universe, right? Put the direction out to the universe. Take charge and create that freedom in your life, okay? So you're in charge. Take charge. Don't just, go with the crowd. You're the one. You're the leader. You're the leader of your money. And that's what you need to step into and let go of just sort of fumbling around and staying with the crowd. You need to step forth, stand in your power, claim it, and be the leader of your money. Alrighty, let me know if you've liked it. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell notification if you want to be notified of upcoming videos and readings that I do. And I'll chat to you all soon. Bye.